Due to prolonged aggressive driving, several teeth on the gears of this heavy-duty truck's transmission have broken off. In our country, replacing such damaged gears would cost at least a few $100s. However, most vehicle owners opt for traditional repair methods in Pakistan, where resources are scarce and auto parts are hard to come by. Local craftsmen can repair these gears relatively cheaply, requiring only 5,000 rupees to make the gears look brand new. Before starting the repair, the craftsman thoroughly cleans the oil stains from the gear surface to ensure the work can be done in a clean environment. After cleaning, the craftsman plans to use 3D additive manufacturing and subsequent machining to repair the teeth. To ensure the repaired teeth match the original ones precisely, he needs to create an on-site specialized measuring tool to measure and compare the exact spacing between the teeth. He decides to use scrap aluminum to make the mold, as aluminum's good ductility makes it an ideal material. Under the high temperature of a blowtorch, the aluminum block quickly melts into a small container of molten aluminum, which the craftsman carefully pours into the prepared mold. Since the molten aluminum solidifies quickly, the craftsman continues to use the blowtorch to heat it, ensuring it spreads evenly and fills the mold. Once the aluminum has spread and cooled, he waits for it to solidify completely. Then, he removes the aluminum cast from the mold and places it on the gear plate for precise comparison. The model perfectly matches the damaged part of the original gear, meaning repairing the broken teeth can begin. The key to repairing broken teeth is build-up welding. Although this process may seem straightforward, it requires a high level of skill because any small error during welding can lead to repair failure, rendering the teeth unusable. The craftsman is meticulous during welding to avoid slag inclusion. After welding each layer, he uses a small hammer to tap the welded area, knocking off the slag. This precise operation is repeated until the buildup reaches the exact specification of the original teeth. After welding, the welded area is higher than the original teeth, requiring further shaping to ensure consistency in tooth shape. The craftsman uses a lathe for fine cutting work, a crucial step for controlling the size of the teeth. Lathe cutting ensures all protruding parts are flattened. Despite the slow speed of the cutting process, the craftsman maintains high concentration and precision to ensure every detail is flawless. After surface cutting, since the repair shop lacks advanced gear milling machines, the craftsman uses an angle grinder with specialized grinding discs to manually grind the teeth. This process tests the craftsman's skill and patience, requiring extreme caution at every step to ensure precise spacing between the teeth. He compares the repair with the previously made model until the spacing perfectly matches the original teeth. Finally, the ground teeth look identical to the original ones, making distinguishing the repaired sections from the original ones impossible. The craftsman performs a final check by fitting the mold back onto the gear to ensure each tooth fits perfectly. With this, the gear with broken teeth is fully repaired, showcasing the craftsman's meticulousness and professional skill. So, what do you think of this Pakistani craftsman's technique? If the maximum score is 100, how many points would you give them?